Well, one of the big things is that we've always wanted to enclose this, and now we got the door. So here's the before, and soon enough, you'll see the after. Here's the door. So this is after the first day of construction. They did a lot of work. You can see we're going to be putting a window at top. We don't know if it's going to be divided. I think it's just going to be completely one window. It really does even frame up this room as well. So my desk is going to go on over here because this is in theory going to be an office room, kind of casual mixed use space. So that's why I didn't want the table to be like on this side of the wall or in the middle of the room. That's where the previous owners had it when it was no door. They just had their desk here. And I'm like, well, you know, do people want to enter a house and see a computer desk with all these wires? Probably not. And the big reveal, woo, the door is done, huzzah. So I have to kind of have them open right now. They said, you know, let the paint dry kind of a thing. You don't want to scuff it all up at the top specifically, but you get the idea. It lets in so much light. You can see this room, this entry room gets a lot of light. I wanted the light to flow through the door, which I believe it does. You can see it right there. Here's the reverse angle of it all. Does exactly what I need, allowing me to have my desk off to the side. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and smack that like button and subscribe to my channel for more coming soon.